All right, how you doing? So today we're going to make a wonderful, I mean really wonderful, I love this, vegetable chili. You can use any sort of vegetables you want. I've got a lovely selection there. You can change that up if you want. Really easy, doesn't take long, it's delicious, it's healthy, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Okay, so let's have a look at the essentials that we need. They being 1 can of tomatoes, which I've pureed up, they were whole. I've just sort of mashed them up. Onion, 1 onion. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Everything else is completely optional. So, well, I suppose the beans are optional, are not optional, are they? So red kidney beans. I'm using some pumpkin, eggplant, sweet corn, bell peppers, carrots, and I've got some mange tout or some sort of French bean or something like that. But yeah, you can use anything you like. I'll show you the spices now. So we've got here 1 teaspoon each of cumin, oregano, chili powder, and paprika. Now paprika comes usually in 3 types: sweet, hot, and smoked. I'm using smoked, it's absolutely delicious. You need to use sweet, not the hot. Hot is basically chili powder, so you'll end up putting 2 lots of chili in really. That's it, let's get moving. So I've got a frying pan here, I've got some olive oil in there. I'm going to add our onion. We're on an above medium heat, by the way, I've just put it on. A tablespoon of garlic. And then we're going to add our hardest vegetables. In my case, it's carrots and the pumpkin. Celery you could put in here, potatoes you can put in here, mushrooms can go in here, anything you like. Okay, above medium heat, about 3 minutes. Keep it moving, we're well on our way. Beautiful, that's 3 minutes. Now, of course, these vegetables are still really hard. Next up, I'm going to drop in my eggplant. In that goes. I'm going to drop in my mange tout or French beans or some sort of green bean that you want. And again, I'm going to go for another 3 minutes. Keep it moving. This is coming along really nicely. Okay, next up, let's get our red beans in, our red kidney beans. Now, I'm using these from a can. If you're using them from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water. Bell peppers, nice bit of colour in there. Sweet corn. Salt. Black pepper. And then our spices, let's just take one more look at them. So, equal parts, teaspoon each. Paprika, cumin, oregano, and chili powder. 3 more minutes, keep it moving now. Pretty much all the time. This is gonna be absolutely fabulous. Really, really good. I'm excited to eat this one. 1 can of tomatoes, which I pureed. There was a plum tomato. In that goes. Then I'm going to add some water. Then I'm going to get the heat down. Not a simmer, but above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Really, really delicious. And that is looking fantastic. Off goes the heat. Those vegetables are cooked really nicely. The tomatoes are cooked out beautifully. I'm loving that. Only one more thing to do. Big handful of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Give that a mix in. That is delicious with some rice. Check it for salt and pepper. If you wanted, chop some fresh chili in there. If you want to go that extra mile and get a bit of heat inside you. But yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, with some plain white rice or brown rice, whatever you prefer. Or even stick that in some jacket potatoes or some potato skins. Super fabulous. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all. Even though we're offered it quite a lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.